Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So this episode is this cool amazing product right here, and basically what this is a cable cord organizer. So you can definitely organize all your cables on here. But the cool thing about this product right here is the fact that it comes in a 5-pack. So let me actually open up and show you guys what I mean. Alright, so when you open up, first thing you see inside right here is a user guide to teach you guys how to use it. And then right underneath that, you guys can see everything else. So you guys can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of these cable organizer, and each one is different. So this one is for 1 cable, this one is for 2 cables, this one is for 3 cables, this is for 4 cables, and this is for 5 different cables. So you guys definitely have a lot of options to choose from right here. The one that we got right here is an all clear design for the actual cable organizer. There is some that is like black, some of them that are white. So depending on which color or which design you guys want, that is up to you guys to decide. But this is the one that we have right here. So let me actually take out one of them to show you guys how it works. Alright, so when you take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like. So literally all you need to do is just slide the cable into these holes right here. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the way how you guys set up the cable right here, you guys can actually just slide it in, or you can slightly bend it like this to fit it in as well. Once you guys fit the cable inside right here, then it should be all organized. And basically in the back part right here, they do provide you guys a tape. So you guys can actually stick it onto your table, your wall, or somewhere else to keep all your cable organized. And we guys saw earlier how I showed you guys how there's either a 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 different cable organizers. You can definitely choose based on your own preference on how many cable you guys want to organize, but you can definitely use all of these and buy more if you guys don't have enough. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now let me actually go get some cable to show you guys how to use it. So I'm gonna go very simple and use the one that has 2 of them. So for example, if I use this cable right here, if I just slide it in right here, you guys can see that we have the cable inside right there to keep it organized. So I get another cable and put it on here as well. Alright, so let's say I have this cable as well. If I just slide it right next to it, push it right in. Now we can organize 2 cables right here. And all we need to do is just tape the back part right here onto the wall, or you can tape it onto your table as well. So that way all your cable is all organized and not all clustered or all over the place. So that's actually really cool. And if you guys want to remove the cable, all you need to do is just slide it out like this. Or you can open it up to take it out as well. But you shouldn't need to, because the way how they design it makes it easy access for you guys to just pull it out like this, which is pretty cool. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we can unboxing and testing our product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for these cable organizers, I definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want more than need one of these. Especially if you guys want to organize all your cable and don't like your cables all like cluster all over your table or all messy over your table, then these are actually really worth it in those scenarios. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.